In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add images in Clipchamp, whether you want to upload your own photos or use images directly from Clipchamp's built-in content library. If you're creating YouTube videos, presentations, reels, or any type of visual content, adding images properly can make your videos look more professional and engaging. So I'll walk you through everything step by step. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and easy-to-follow software guides just like this. Let's get started. First, open Clipchamp and go to any project of your choice. You can either create a new project from the home screen or open an existing one that you're already working on. Once your project is open, you'll see the main editing interface with the preview window at the top and the timeline at the bottom. To add images, the first place you need to look at is the left-hand sidebar. Here, click on the My Media tab. This is where all your uploaded files, like videos, images, and audio, will appear. If you want to use an image from your own computer, click on the Import Media button. After you click Import Media, a file browser window will open on your computer. From here, navigate to the folder where your images are stored. Select the image or multiple images you want to upload, and then click Open. Clipchamp will upload them into your media library, and you'll see them appear inside the My Media section. Now, to actually add the image to your video, simply click and drag the image from the My Media panel down to the timeline. You can place it on its own track or above a video clip if you want it to overlay on top. Once it's on the timeline, you can resize its duration by clicking and dragging the edges of the image clip. You can also adjust its position and size in the preview window by selecting it and using the corner handles. If you don't have your own images and want to use built-in graphics, Clipchamp also offers a content library. To access this, click on the Content Library option in the left-hand panel. Inside the content library, you'll find stock videos, backgrounds, graphics, and images that you can use in your project. Click on the Images section within the content library. You can browse through the available categories or use the search bar to find something specific. For example, you can search for business, nature, technology, or any theme that matches your video. Once you find an image you like, simply drag it directly from the content library onto your timeline. Just like with uploaded images, you can adjust its length, reposition it, crop it, or layer it with other elements in your project. If needed, you can also apply basic edits, such as adding filters, adjusting brightness, or using fade-in and fade-out effects to make your image blend smoothly into your video. These options appear in the editing panel when the image is selected on the timeline. And that's it. That's how you add images in Clipchamp, whether you're uploading your own pictures or using the built-in content library. It's a simple process, but mastering it gives you much more creative control over your videos. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Clipchamp tutorials and video editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.